Hey guys, Tim from Booth.Events here. We're going to have a quick look at how to make your own template with scenes as well, so that we can see how the AI background removal works, which we call scene select. Okay, so on the right hand side of your screen you can see the iPad, and on the left hand side of your screen you can see the web. And we're going to use those both to accomplish this. So first, let's start with something simple. You can see I've got an event here called Templates Are Fun, Scenes 2. And right now, we've just configured it to use one of our stock templates called Autumn Leaves, square 4x4. And let's just see what that looks like. So I'm going to hit preview on the event. When I hit preview, that means I'm not uploading to anything to the gallery, so it doesn't start the expiry. Okay, great. I'm going to take a photo of myself, like so. Okay, oh yes, and I've got black and white turned on for this event. So you can see that I've got some scenes here, and if I change them, you can see the background is changing behind my face. So that's a scene. Okay, great, but what if we want to make our own? Let's do that right now. So first, let's just get out of this. We'll show you where black and white is. We can turn that off. So we go down to, if we go to the event settings, the middle page there, and scroll down, you can see I've got convert photos to black and white. So let's just turn that off for a sec. Okay, great. So over here on the left-hand side on the web, I'm going to go to templates, and I'm going to create new. And we're going to use a template from my good pal Clay. He runs photoboothgraphics.com. So Clay Moore runs this website. He's a fantastic guy. He makes awesome templates. Many thanks to Clay for providing this template for us. He's really responsive and really quick, and his templates are awesome. So check him out. That's photoboothgraphics.com. All right, so we'll just call this leafy template. And I don't have a zip file. I'm just going to upload I'm going to start one from scratch. And what size do I want it to be? Well, it needs to match what Clay sent me. And in this case, we're going to do a 1200 by 1800 template. So when you create the template, this should match what you're printing if you are going to print. So this is the pixel size that will be printed. So it has to match your paper settings in your printer. If you're not printing, then you can have any format you want. So if you're doing Instagram, you would use squares, yada, yada, yada. Okay, so let's just make a template called Leafy Template, and we're now in the template editor, and you can see I'm on the layers of the template. And Clay makes really simple templates. In this case, he sent me one that's just one single layer. So we're just going to upload that directly, like so. I'm going to choose the file and hit open, and you can see that upload and process. Okay, great, and you can see that's now on top. And you can see that photo area that came with the template is now kind of underneath it. And if I want to move it around, I can't do that while this one's on top. So I'm going to go on the left-hand side here, and I'm going to click the up arrow on the photo area, and I'm going to move that up to the top so I can click on it. And I'm going to get it in the right place. I'm going to drag it around about there. It's okay to have some overlap. I'm going to go like that, and that. And now, of course, I want those leaves over the top, so I'm going to put it back down again like so. So I press the down arrow there. And then you can see the template editor is saving everything that I do as I go. Okay, great, fair enough. So now I've got my own template. So let's do something that a lot of people forget, which is we're going to assign it to our template. So we're going to go back to events. We'll open up that event we were playing with. We'll hit change on the templates there. And you can see it's one of my templates there, so I'm going to choose that. And save changes, done. If you were looking at the right hand side, you saw the iPad just automatically downloaded everything it needed from that template. Great, done. Okay, let's preview the event, and we'll take a photo, and there's our template on the right. You can see it's modeling what it's going to look like with the live view feed right in the template. Take a photo. Aha, but there's no scene, there's no background removal, right? It's just my office with poor Calvin's hair in the background, and Calvin isn't going to be happy about this at all. Okay, so let's go back and figure out what's going on. What's going on is that we have not added any scenes to our template. So I'm going to click back on this template here, and I'm going to edit the template, click edit template, and I'm going to click on scenes. So as it says here, scenes are the photos that the iPad's going to use as the background. It's that thing that goes behind, in this case, my face. So I'll go scenes, I'll upload a JPEG as a scene, and I'm going to upload this one. That looks good. Give that a second. Up we go. There's one. I'm going to upload another one because it's nice to have choices. Perfect. And we're going to wait for it to save. It's saved, done, and check it out. On the iPad, you can see those things were immediately downloaded. By the time I looked over to the iPad, it's already ready to go. Perfect. Great. Let's hit preview. Take a photo. Same as we did before. Okay, great. Now you can see those scenes are coming up. If you don't see the scenes coming up, there can be a couple of things going on, but most importantly, check to see that you're taking a picture of a person. The algorithm we're using to detect is looking for people. It'll work on other objects as well, but mostly people. So choose a background like so. I'm going to go with, I think I like the green better. There we go. And that's it. That is the scene select process. That's how we do our AI background removal in Booth.Events. All right, if you have any questions, hit this question mark here anywhere in the app or on the website and go to ask and shoot us an email this way, and we'll respond to you in business hours, usually within a couple of minutes, and outside of business hours, usually within a couple of hours. All right, thanks for watching.